Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto chicken salad. First, ensure your chicken is cooked and cooled, then shred or dice it into bite-sized pieces. You'll need about 2 cups. Next, prepare your pesto, whether store-bought or homemade, and have your mayonnaise ready. A bit of chopped celery adds a nice crunch. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your prepared chicken with about 1/4 cup of pesto and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Stir everything gently until the chicken is evenly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. To elevate your salad, add some texture. Stir in about 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery for that satisfying crunch. For extra flavor and richness, you might also consider adding a handful of toasted walnuts or halved cherry tomatoes. This salad is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it on a croissant, in a lettuce wrap, or simply with your favorite crackers. Proper storage is key to enjoying your delicious pesto chicken salad for longer. Transfer any leftovers into an airtight container and refrigerate it promptly. It will stay fresh and tasty for about 3 to 4 days, making it perfect for meal prep. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.